For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you're watching News 9 Digital with me, Prajwal Prasad, and looking at the entire scenario of the COVID-19 crisis that has gripped the world, it has completely changed the way that we think, relate, and behave around people. Amidst the ongoing pandemic, internet giant Google has come up with a new update in the Maps app that will provide real-time data related to the coronavirus pandemic. Google has started rolling out one of these features in India, and Google has also partnered with the Indian Council of Medical Research as well as My Government in order to help people find COVID-19 testing centers, because that is definitely the need of the hour where patients will have to be rushed in immediately. Google has also introduced a new testing tab on its COVID-19 related search, and this tab provides the location of the listed testing centers close to the user, and along with the location, it also shows key information and guidance needed before using their services. So, what is Google's COVID-19 features over here and what makes them stand apart? The tech company has partnered with the Indian Council of Medical Research as well as My Government, and the listing also shows what are the government mandated requirements before you go in for quarantine and you're taken in for fever clinics. And also the government mandate includes calling the national or state helplines before heading out to get tested too, because there are a set of do's and don'ts that you need to follow at all times. Carrying a doctor's prescription and testing restrictions are also something which the people will have to look into, because there is also many restrictions too, and you will also have to know as to what needs to be done at what point of time too, because you cannot risk yourself or else you cannot even risk your neighbors or your family members for that matter. Google also provides information about whether the lab is government or private run, because in government labs the testing facilities is different, and in private labs the testing facilities is different. And apart from that, even the rates will also vary anywhere between 2,250 rupees to 4,500 rupees. The search has over 700 testing labs listed on its Google search, on the Assistant as well as Maps too, which has spanned for over more than 300 cities over here. Google's COVID-19 feature is also available both on Android as well as iOS devices too, so making it very easy for users in both these phones as well as both these platforms also. And now Google has claimed that they will continue to work with ICMR to add more labs across the country so that they can even reach out to the most remote places across the entire length and breadth of the country. So how does the COVID-19 feature work on Google Apps? Because many of them have a lot of questions, because we're speaking about three different things in Google. That is your search, Assistant as well as Google Maps. So Google Maps will show nearby testing centers where the user will have to enter keywords like COVID-19 testing or coronavirus testing. So when searching for this COVID-19 test centers on Google Assistant, users will be able to spot the testing tab. So there is a special tab or a separate tab called as testing tab, where the search results will crop up, and all you need to do is just go and click on the page. The tab will also display the latest coronavirus related news and updates at the bottom, and the listing will be paired with a link to Google search. So all these three apps will be synchronized with one another, and they will work in detail also. So tapping the learn more link will also lead you to the information from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, where they will keep you updated on the numbers across all the states and union territories, and also the total number of cases, active cases, the discharges as well as the deaths that has taken place in India since the first case has already been registered. Now Google search and Google Maps show similar results about the testing centers near them. So what's new with the Google Maps now? Because we have spoken about the search and the Assistant over here, but also things or the salient features which has been updated in Google Maps show that the latest version will help the users to stay informed about possible direct or indirect effects of COVID-19 while they are going on a trip or while they are leaving from outside their residences. The maps will also inform you about the checkpoints on your route where you will have to mandatorily go for a thermal screening as well. It will also notify you about the restrictions you have to follow while staying in these regions. Maps will also inform you about the restrictions that you might have to face while you're going on a travel, especially if you are from a containment zone or if you're entering one as well. So these are some of the features which Google has launched across all its 3 platforms, that is the search, maps as well as Assistant 2, and this definitely is helping a lot of people because India has a population of over 130 crore people and over 50 to 55% of the population have access to technology. And with technology coming in together and with Google lending a helping hand to the Indian Council of Medical Research, India can clearly go ahead and combat this deadly pandemic. If you have found this video interesting, you might drop in your opinions in the comment section below. You might also go ahead, like, share as well as subscribe too. Thank you for watching.